Okay, here we have a form of data sheet of home sales in Florida, covering Baldwin, Jacksonville Beach, and one other city. So we have multiple columns of data and many rows of data. And we're going to create a pivot table to help us organize this data in a way that we can pull out information that we're interested in a easy way without having to scroll through the thousands of rows that we have on this sheet. So to create a pivot table, we're going to go to Insert, Pivot Table, and you can see that the Excel actually highlights the data automatically if you're clicked in the sheet. And we can just go double check and make sure that it got everything, and we can see that it got all of the columns and it did get all of the rows. And since we have such a large sheet, we're going to put our pivot table on a new worksheet, so we're going to keep this as it is and go ahead and press OK. And this is will come up as soon as you press create a pivot table, and you can see all of the columns that we had on our worksheet are now appear here, and we can drag these fields to filters, columns, rows, and values. So today we want to sort by city first and foremost, so I think that it'll be good to have that on the row side. And then we want the average sales price for each city, so we're going to go to sales price and bring that down to values, and we can see that it says sum of sales price. So as of right now, it's having the sum of the sales price for each city. But what we want to do is click that drop down, go to value field setting, and we want the average, and then we want to format it as a currency, so we can do that as well. And then we're going to go OK, and then you see it changes automatically to average of sales price in our currency format, so that's good. And another thing that we want to pull out from our sheet is the number of homes sold in each city. So we're going to once again pull down sales price and pull it in our values section, and once again it says sum of sales price, but we actually want the number of homes sold, so we're going to do count to get the number of homes sold in each city, and press OK, and that format is fine, so we don't need to change it. So this was a quick and easy way to pull out first and foremost the city, then we wanted the average sale price in each city and the number of homes sold in each city, and we can present this to the interested party without them having to sift through the thousands and thousands of rows of data that we had previously, and we're able to put it in this very short and concise pivot table. That concludes this video on creating the pivot table for home sales in Atlantic Beach, Baldwin, Jacksonville Beach, and Neptune Beach, and pulling out the average sales price in each city and the number of sales in each city. Thank you.